The best part of being at OCC is the class sizes. When you're in a lab, it's not the lab tech in there with you, it's the teacher who wrote the lab manual, and they're there helping you dissect a frog or look through a microscope. They're over here helping you and they know exactly what's wrong and exactly how to fix the problem, whereas at a traditional university, that's not always the case. The facilities at OCC are close together and easy to find things. Everything, it's floor 1 is 100, floor 2 is 200. It makes sense. You don't get lost very easily, and you understand where you are at all times. And it's great because I get lost very easily. Students at OCC have been very welcoming. You go upstairs to the Culinary Institute and they can serve you lunch and they have a conversation with you and they talk to you about how their program has been. Or just walking into the classroom, socializing with people, everyone's very nice.